Another day, another story. Hey there, busy parents. Do you struggle with finding lunch options that your picky eaters will actually enjoy? If you're tired of the same old sandwiches and snacks, we've got some fresh ideas that are sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. In this video, we're sharing 10 easy and tasty lunch options that your kids will love. So sit back, relax, and get ready to make mealtime a whole lot easier. Lunch idea number 1, grilled cheese and tomato soup. Who doesn't love a classic grilled cheese sandwich? Pair it with some warm and comforting tomato soup, and you've got a meal that's sure to please even the most stubborn of eaters. To make this lunch option even healthier, try using whole grain bread and low-sodium soup. Lunch idea number 2, mini pizzas. Kids love pizza, but it's not always the healthiest option. Why not try making mini pizzas at home using whole grain English muffins or pitas? Let your little ones choose their own toppings, like veggies, cheese, and lean protein, for a personalized lunch that's both delicious and nutritious. Lunch idea number 3, veggie wraps. Wraps are a great alternative to traditional sandwiches, and they're easy to customize to your kids' preferences. Fill a whole grain wrap with their favorite veggies, like lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and avocado. Add some sliced turkey or chicken for extra protein, and wrap it up for a healthy and tasty lunch option. Lunch idea number 4, snack box. For a fun and easy lunch option, try putting together a snack box filled with a variety of healthy options. Include things like whole grain crackers, cheese cubes, sliced veggies, fruit, and yogurt for a balanced and satisfying meal. Lunch idea number 5, pasta salad. Pasta salads are a great way to include more veggies in your kids' diets, while still providing a filling and tasty meal. Try using whole grain pasta and adding in some chopped veggies and lean protein, like chicken or shrimp. Toss it all together with a simple vinaigrette for a healthy and easy lunch option. Lunch idea number 6, quesadillas. Quesadillas are a fun and easy lunch option that your kids will love. Use whole grain tortillas and fill them with cheese, beans, and veggies for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Serve with some fresh salsa or guacamole for a tasty dip. Lunch idea number 7, peanut butter and apple sandwiches. For a twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, try swapping out the jelly for sliced apples. Use whole grain bread and natural peanut butter for a healthy and filling lunch option that's also kid-approved. Lunch idea number 8, turkey and cheese roll-ups. Roll-ups are a fun way to switch up traditional sandwiches. Take a slice of turkey, add some cheese and veggies, like spinach or bell pepper, and roll it up for a tasty and easy lunch option. Serve with some sliced fruit or whole grain crackers for a balanced meal. Lunch idea number 9, tuna salad. Tuna salad is a healthy and easy lunch option that can be made in advance and stored in the fridge until mealtime. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for a lighter and more nutritious dish. Add some chopped veggies, like celery and onion, for extra crunch. Lunch idea number 10, fruit and yogurt parfait. For a sweet and healthy lunch option, try making a fruit and yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and granola for a satisfying and nutritious meal that your kids will love. Thanks for watching, parents. We hope you found some new and easy lunch options to try at home. Remember, mealtime doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. With a little creativity and some healthy ingredients, you can win over even the pickiest of eaters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty and kid-approved recipes. Thanks for watching.